Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how much YouTube paid me in the month of January 2021. I like to do these videos and these are highly requested because people want to see my journey on how much YouTube has paid me in the past month. So I'm going to be revealing everything, guys, how much YouTube paid me, which videos paid me the most, my average cost per view. I'm going to reveal everything and why YouTube is so powerful inside my business. But if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can start your TikTok following, but more importantly, how you can build a six-figure business with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's go. All right, guys. So what is YouTube monetization? So I'm going to explain that real quick for those who don't know what that is. All right. So basically, when you see an ad on my channel, right? So let's just say you click any of these videos, right? And typically an ad will pop up, all right? So right here, you can see there's an ad right away. So I'm literally getting paid because these people are running ads on my channel. This is Russell Brunson, so he's running ads on my channel. So he has to pay a certain amount to run ads on my channel. Now, why is this so powerful? Because I make money when they run ads on my channel. I literally split the ad revenue from YouTube. Half of it goes to me and half of it goes to them. So it's very, very powerful, okay? So not only do I get, obviously if you've been following me for a while, I make most of my money with affiliate marketing, my own programs, but YouTube ad revenue is a great way to get paid while you're making your content. It's just an amazing strategy. So that's what YouTube ad revenue is, okay? So that's all I'm going to focus on today. I'm going to let you guys know which videos are paying me the most, what type of videos. I'm going to dive extremely deep for you guys because I want to be 100% transparent in my journey, okay? But how do you get monetized with YouTube ad revenue? I'm going to take you through the process. So this is from Google or YouTube themselves, okay? So the way you get monetized, and it's just right here, okay, guys? You can see that you need 4,000 public watch hours. Okay, I'm going to explain that a little bit later, but basically, you need 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. Okay, so this is cumulative. Okay, so if today's February 2nd, 2021, it would be from last February 2nd, 2020, and within that time frame, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. That was the hardest part for me. That took me the longest. Okay, then you also have 1,000 subscribers. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, then I think the hardest part is getting the 4,000 watch hours, but I'll talk about how I was able to do that when I first got monetized, okay? And there's a few things here, like you have to live in a country where it's monetized and you have to have an AdSense account, okay? But these are the two main ones right here that you really want to focus on is the actual 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So let's dive into my account and let me show you exactly how much I made with this process, okay? Now, I'm going to go to my analytics real quick, guys, all right? And I want to just kind of walk you through when I got monetized, okay? This is the date right here, okay? This is my whole this is December 15th, okay? I remember the date because I was so excited. December 15th, 2019, okay? This is when I first got monetized, okay? Now, I started my channel right here in May 15th, 2019, okay? So you can see it started out really, really slow and then it started to grow, okay? Of course, I was very consistent and I posted a ton of content. I really wanted to grow my YouTube following, okay? And from there, you can see it, we're just growing, okay? Now, let's talk about how much money I made, but more importantly, which videos made me the most money. So I'm gonna go to revenue over here, and there's a few things I want to mention here, but I'm going to go to January, okay? Now, this is the ad. This is how much money I made in January, and this is my money. This is my take-home money before taxes, of course. But right here, $1,940. What's crazy is this is the most I've ever made on YouTube ad revenue. So if I go to the last 365 days, you can see that this is the most I've ever made. Let me actually go here. This might be a better depiction here. So you can see January 1940. That's the most I've ever made. December was also a pretty big month. November was my last biggest month at 1586. So guys, it jumped a lot, right? So it's jumped from $1,500, which is the most I ever made in November, and then it jumped to 1940, okay, which is exciting, right? I mean, obviously, that's a lot of money that could pay a mortgage, and this is just because I post YouTube content, right? So this is really huge, guys, because I get paid to create content, right? Now, if you guys have been following me, you guys know that I don't make all my money with YouTube ad revenue. This is just like a little small portion of what I actually make, right? The things I teach, affiliate marketing, building your email list, is how I make my actual money. But this is just an extra part of it, right? This is just a bonus as you're creating your content, okay? Now, I really want to mention this, okay? I'm going to go back to January, and I want to show you the top earning videos, okay? And I really want to talk about CPM and what these things mean when you start getting monetized, okay? So you can see here, I get $53 CPM, which is extremely high, okay? This means for every 1,000 views, I get paid $53. Now, why is my CPM so much higher than other people? That's because I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online. So advertisers are willing to pay more money to be on my channel, right? So if we go to Google and type in, what's the average CPM on YouTube? You can see here the average CPM is typically $6 to $8, okay? So I'm like way above that, almost 10 times in some cases. So I just want to mention that, okay? This is how much you get paid per view, okay? Now, if you have more of a viral type channel, right? So, you know, like Mr. Beast or something like that, his CPM's a lot lower because he's more of a broader audience, right? So you can kind of see advertisers would want to promote or would want to advertise on my channel because I'm very niche down on affiliate marketing and how to make money online, okay? So that's how that works, okay? So that's what CPM means. Now let's look at which videos made me the most money per view and per CPM, okay? So I'm going to go to top earning videos for this month here, okay? Now the top earning video was this one right here, okay? So I talked about how to copy and paste YouTube videos. Now let's see why this video was the highest. Okay. Was it because of the views or because of the CPM? Okay. So there's a few things I want you guys to see here. Okay. So it was the top earning. Okay. But I did have over 15,000 views here. Okay. Now what I want to mention here is this CPM is extremely low. Well, compared to my other videos, it's at $27.95. Okay. The reason it was the highest was because I had the most views. Okay, that's the main reason. Now, this video right here, the next one, this video only had, I believe, only 1,400 views. But look at the CPM on this guy, $243. So like 15 times, this video had 15 times more views. And I made more money because I had more views. But this one had way less views. And I had way higher CPM. Now, why is that, okay? You can see that this video, let me go back over here, guys. You can see that this video right here, it's more of a viral video, right? I'm teaching people, you know, how to make money on YouTube without showing their face, stuff like that. Whereas this one, it's going to be more skill set based, right? So I'm teaching people how to build an email list. So the target market is more niche down, right? I'm teaching people how to build an email list, you know, so it's really, really targeted. So that's why I'm able to make more money with this type of video. Now, you can see the next highest CPM here is this ClickBank video. These videos always do really, really well for me right here. So you can see this one right here. It's basically a free course on ClickBank. That CPM was $126 here, okay? So you can see my CPMs are kind of all over the place here. This is gold right here, guys. This literally tells you how much money I'm making per video, okay? So you can see what type of content you can make just by looking at this right here, okay? And most people don't reveal stuff like this, but I just want to show you guys, you know, how I'm making money with YouTube ad revenue, okay? Now, let's dive deep into some other things so I can show you how can you make even more money being monetized, okay? So what I like to do is create longer form content, but you don't want to create long content just to create long content, okay? So for example, let's go to my YouTube or my ClickBank video here, okay? This video is 34 minutes, I believe. Let me go to the video here. Yeah, 34 minutes. Now, how do we get paid more, right? How can we actually get more money with YouTube ad revenue? So if I go over here and I go to monetization, I can actually put ads in between the video, okay? So that's the cool thing. Once you get monetized, you can tell YouTube, I want display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable and non-skippable, okay? I literally have every type of ads on my video, right? That's up to you and how you want to run your business, but I like to have a ton of ads on my videos because, you know, I want to get monetized. I want to get as much money as I can for my content, right? That's That's the point of the free content. So this is where you kind of make the most money though, is the location of the ads. Okay, so the cool thing is YouTube actually lets you put it before the video and after the video. Now this right here, the pre-roll, this is where you make the most money. Okay, so if I click on manage pre-roll, I can literally tell YouTube to put more ads in between. So if I know this is going to be a 40-minute video, you know, I know that people are typically okay every 5 to 8 minutes, I can put an ad here. So I can literally, you know, click this. Let me move my face real quick, guys. So I can literally put an ad right here if I wanted to, right? I would just click this button here and I would just say ad break. Okay, so see, now I added an ad in that area here. Okay, I'm gonna take that off for now, but all these are ads. Every single one of these breaks are gonna be ads. Now this is a longer video. If you have a 5 to 10 minute video, I might just put one ad, right? I wouldn't be putting like 5, 10 ads, because then you're gonna annoy your audience, right? For me, I typically put an ad every 5 to 7, 8 minutes is typically what I'll do. It works out pretty well. And obviously the more ads are ran on your channel, the more money you make. Now this ClickBank one right here, specifically, watch, I'll go to this video right here. I can go to each specific video and I could go to revenue and it will tell me how much I'm making on that video specifically, right? So this video alone made me $149. I barely posted this video a couple weeks ago. It's already made me $140. More importantly, the CPM is $126. Okay, so it's pretty cool what you can do with YouTube ad revenue, guys. It's really changed my, changed my mindset on how I create content. YouTube is like my #1 way to create content, right? I always talk about TikTok and Facebook groups and Pinterest, but YouTube is my #1 way, not only because you get paid to create content, but I can build my brand and my audience very, very powerful with YouTube. Okay, so anyways, guys, if you want to learn more on how to start a YouTube channel, I have a 3-day challenge down below. It's going to walk you through how to set up an affiliate marketing business and basically how do we monetize that, right? How do we monetize our YouTube channel? We have to have some sort of product, some sort of offer. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, even if you don't have a product at all. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing in just 3 days, guys. Leave that. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. So I hope this video was of value. I like to make these videos on, my income report and stuff like that. So I might do another video on how much I made in total for January 2021. Let me know if you guys are interested in that video, if you want me to do a full report on how much I made throughout my whole business. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to come out with even more and more content every single day, guys. So please subscribe. Appreciate the support, and we'll see you guys on the next video.